And we're going to talk about Knob Creek 100 proof 9-year-old whiskey. Got this from one of our local liquor stores here in town, and then of course we got to have a Glencairn. Nice wax top. I should have filmed that. Top of cork. Let's do us a taste here. Let it aerate a little bit here. I have been sipping on this, so this is a little bit of good sipping whiskey. Knob Creek. This is a small batch pint, and 9 years, like I said, 100 proof. So let's get some smells in here. Smell some oakiness, a little bit of tobacco maybe, a little bit of caramel, and some other spices. So let's take a swig. First thing I notice, it opens up my nostrils even more because of the alcohol in it. It's 100 proof, so I don't get a real burning sensation from it, which is good because that means you can sip on it a lot longer. Aftertaste, you get some of that oakiness. Oh no, not too bad. Let me know what you think about Knob Creek 9 years. I do like it a little bit better than Jack Daniels as a sipping whiskey. Jack Daniels to me is, my favorite of all time is Jack and Coke. So as a mixed drink. So I don't know. Would you mix this with Coke? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like this better than some of the other whiskeys out there? And if so, which one would that be? Also, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. That always helps us out. And thanks for watching the videos. And to those who do watch and enjoy Knob Creek, here's to you. And we'll catch you next time. I'm glad you think you're going to sit in my chair, kitty cat.